Hey everyone, welcome to Module 15. We are on Chapter 14, A New Birth of Freedom, the Civil War. This is the last content chapter before the final, so congratulations, you've made it to the end. This week you're going to be obviously reading about the Civil War and the conclusion of the war. What I can say is that I mostly want you to be paying attention to the impact the war was having on people on both sides, in the Confederacy and in the North in the Union, and looking at some of the strengths of each side. There's going to be less questions or less emphasis, at least on the quiz and the final, on the actual battles. You'll want to know some of the more significant battles that lead to things like the Emancipation Proclamation and the end of the war, also the beginning of the war, but I'm not too concerned about the battles in between. So your discussion this week is going to be really based on the victory of the Union. So beyond its superior resources and numbers, what are other factors that contributed to the Union victory? So you can think about economic, social, governmental, all of those types of things. Think about, some of the industrial resources that the Union had. And of these factors, which would you identify as the most important? So choose what you think is the most important factor that gave the Union the victory over the Confederacy. You also have a primary source exercise assignment to go along with Chapter 14, and then a review quiz. I will be posting a final exam study guide. I'm just finalizing the final exam currently, so as soon as that comes out, I will post it. Actually, I'll probably end up posting it in Module 16, where you'll find the final exam the last week of the semester also. You'll have a whole week for the final exam, but that won't get posted until next Monday. Let me see what the date is, sorry. The 28th. So the final exam will be posted the 28th, but I will have your study guide for you sometime this week. Alright, hope you have a great week.